Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Shopify settings. So here we are on the dashboard. Go to the bottom left corner and click settings. And we're going to work our way down the entire settings. So first you have the store name. In here, click edit and put the name of your store. So I'm going to call it DaVinci. Then put your phone number in and then put your store email here. This is the email that Shopify will contact you on. Then you have your billing information, your store currency, your time zone, and order ID format. You can leave all of these. Now, your store currency needs to match the country you're selling to. If you're selling to the United States, then have USD. If you're selling to the UK, put GBP. If you're selling to Europe, put euros. So make sure that your store currency fits the country you're selling to. And then go above and click save. Next, you have the Shopify plan. So make sure that you're on the Shopify basic plan. And then you have your billing info. This is where you can see your payment methods and your subscriptions. Next, you have your users and permissions. So in here, you can add staff and collaborators. After that, you have payments. Now, this is extremely important. You need to make sure that you have credit card processors available for your store. Now, for most of you, you'll be able to use Shopify Payments and PayPal. If you don't have Shopify Payments, Stripe, or PayPal available, go to Google, type in your country, and type in payment providers. So we're going to do USA Shopify Payment Providers. Go below. And then you can see which payment gateways are available in the USA. So all of these payment providers are available. Now, many of these providers require that you have a business registered, right? If you have Shopify Payments, Stripe, you can start as an individual. However, in certain countries, you will need to have a business registered to start accepting payments. So here we are back on Shopify Payments. Go here and click Complete Account Setup. And in here, you have to submit all your information. So firstly, you have to select your business type. In the USA, you have individual, corporation, LLC, partnership, and non-profit. Every country is different, right? In your country, you may not have these options available. In certain countries, you can't even start as an individual. You need to start as a business. So check your business type and see what's available. And then go below, put in your tax information. Then go below and put in your personal details. So you have to put your first name, last name, date of birth, and social security number. If you put fake information here, Shopify Payments will review your account and hold your money. And then go below and put in retail and then put in your business subcategory. So, whatever niche you're in, you can put that here. So for us, for example, we're in the sports niche. So we're going to go here and write sporting goods. And then we're going to write we sell boxing equipment. And then go below and for the customer billing statement, put in the name of your store. So we're going to write DaVinci. And then in here, you can put in your phone number. Now, if you don't want to put your public phone number on the bank statement, you could put a fake one because this number will be shown to all of your customers. So you can put a fake number in there. And once all of that's done, make sure that all the information is correct and then go below and click Complete Account Setup and your payments should be set up. And then after Shopify Payments has been set up, you also want to set up PayPal. So go here and click Complete Account Setup and then click Complete Setup. And then you're going to have to create a PayPal account. Now, it's the same process. You have to make sure that all your information on PayPal is correct. If you put the wrong information, your account will be restricted and you will not be able to get your money. So you have to create a password, confirm your password, and then later on, you're going to have to verify your identity. So make sure you make that account on PayPal. It has to be a business account, right? You cannot use a personal account to accept payments. So after your payments have been set up, you want to go to checkout. And then for checkout, you want to put in email and then uncheck the shop app. And then go below and do require first and last name. For the company name, don't include it. For the address line 2, make it optional. For shipping address phone number, don't include it. Now later on, if you want to do SMS marketing, you can set it as required or optional. But for now, we're going to click don't include. And then go below. For marketing options, we're going to click email and pre-selected. And then leave the tipping blank. Go below and use the shipping address as the billing address by default. Use address autocomplete. Don't fulfill any orders and automatically archive the orders. And then you can just leave everything else and click save. Next, you have customer accounts. We don't need this. After that, you have shipping and delivery. So in here, you're going to create your shipping settings. So go here and click general. So the first thing you have to do is make sure you delete your shipping zones. So go here and click delete. And then click delete again. And then we're going to create a new shipping zone. And we're going to call it worldwide. And then you enable all of the countries and click done. After you've done that, you want to click add rate. And in here, we're going to create our shipping rates. Now, I recommend charging for shipping under a certain amount on your store. So go here and click transit time and put custom. Put the rate name as insured shipping. and then put the price at $4.95. And then you can do conditional pricing. $4.95 shipping under a certain amount. So for example, we're going to do $4.95 shipping for orders under $50. And then click done. And then we're going to create one more rate. We're going to go here to transit time, click custom. We're going to call it insured shipping once again. And we're going to do free shipping, and we're going to do free shipping for orders over $50. Go here and click done. And now our shipping rates are set up. So as you can see, for orders under $50, they pay $4.95. For orders over $50, it's free. And then as you can see, it says not covered by your shipping zones. And in here, the USA has not been added. So once again, I'm going to go here to the settings and make sure to add the USA. So now, as you can see, worldwide shipping is enabled. Make sure that all of the countries are enabled here. We're not going to be advertising to every country, but we want to make sure that our store can accept payments from every country. And then once that's done, go ahead and click save. And now we have to activate markets. So yes, we've made our shipping rates, but if we don't have the markets enabled, customers will not be able to check out. So to go to markets, you want to go here to the left and click markets. And once again, our primary market, the USA, is active right now. So customers in the USA can check out. However, we need to enable international markets too. So go here to international, go to the top right corner and click active. And then click save. And now our international markets are enabled and customers from any country can purchase on our website. And once that's done, go back and go to preferences. You want to go below and turn off compare at price hiding. Now when you turn off this option, you'll be able to run a sale on your store. Turn it off and click save. So next, after that's done, you want to go to apps and sales channels and you want to uninstall the geolocation app. We will not be using this app. And then you also want to uninstall the email app. So after all of this is done, the next option is taxes and duties. Now, in the beginning, you don't need to manage any taxes, right? Just start selling. But once you have money coming in, I recommend hiring a tax professional to help you set up all the relevant taxes for your location. But in the beginning, do not worry about this. Next, you have locations. So in here, this is the location of your store. Then you have gift cards. So in here, you can manage the gift cards for your store. Then you have apps and sales channels. So these are all the apps you have on your store. We're going to install more in a separate video. And then you have your domains. This is where you purchased your domain from. Now, as you can see, it says needs attention here. This is because it's a new domain. Within 48 hours, our domain should be verified and this warning should go away. And then you have customer events. This is for pixels. This is not very important for us. And then you have brand. So in here, you can add the logo you make for your brand. We're going to make that in a separate video, but you can add your logo. You can add the color scheme, cover image, and a few other things. And then you have notifications. In here, you can edit the notifications for your store. Now for your sender email, you want to put in the email we configured in the last video. So it's info@davinci.co. And then you want to click save. And then you want to make sure you verify the email. So go here and click resend verification. And then go to your email inbox and click verify email. And now all of our emails will be sent from info@davinci.co. Next, you have custom data. This is not very important to us. And then you have your languages. So if you want to add multiple languages to your store, you can do that here. But in the beginning, I don't recommend it. I recommend sticking to one language per store. And then you have your policies. Make sure the return rules are turned off. And then go below and generate your refund policy. So go here and click create from template. And then you want to remove the return address. And then go below, read through the refund policy to make sure that everything looks correct. And then you want to do your privacy policy. Go here and click create from template. And then you want to remove all the yellow parts, all the parts that are in brackets. And then you want to make sure you go through the privacy policy and make sure that everything makes sense. And then create your terms of service. Go here, click create from template. And once again, you want to make sure you go through the entire terms of service so everything makes sense. And then go below and then you have your shipping policy and your contact information. For the contact information, you can click create from template. And then once that's done, go here and click save. Now, if you don't have this option of create from template, what you want to do is go to Google, type in Shopify policy generator. And then go here to the first link and you'll be able to generate the policy and add it to your store. And then finally, once that's done, you have the store activity log. So all the actions that happen on your store will show here in the store activity log.